Welcome to this lesson on functional groups, one of the most fundamental concepts in organic chemistry. Functional groups are the key to understanding how organic molecules behave and react. Think of them as the active sites that give molecules their unique chemical personalities. A functional group is a specific atom or group of atoms within a molecule that is responsible for the characteristic chemical reactions of that molecule. While most organic molecules have a carbon skeleton that is relatively stable and unreactive, the functional groups attached to this skeleton are what make chemistry happen. They determine how a molecule will interact with other substances. Functional groups matter for several important reasons. First, they provide predictability. Molecules with the same functional group will undergo similar reactions, regardless of the rest of their structure. Second, they help with identification. By recognizing functional groups, chemists can determine a molecule's properties and behavior. Third, they are essential for synthesis. Understanding functional groups allows chemists to design pathways to create target molecules. Finally, they have real-world applications in drug design and material development, where specific functional groups are chosen to achieve desired effects. Here is a crucial concept to remember. The carbon skeleton of an organic molecule is generally unreactive. It provides the framework, but it does not participate much in chemical reactions. In contrast, functional groups are the reactive sites. They are where chemical transformations occur. Essentially, functional groups define the molecule's chemical behavior. When you look at a complex organic molecule, focus on the functional groups to predict what reactions it might undergo. Let us look at some common functional groups you will encounter frequently. The hydroxyl group consists of an oxygen bonded to a hydrogen. Written as -OH, this group is found in alcohols and makes molecules more polar and water-soluble. The carbonyl group is a carbon double bonded to an oxygen. Written as C=O, this is one of the most important functional groups and appears in aldehydes and ketones. The carboxyl group combines a carbonyl and a hydroxyl. Written as -COOH, this group is found in carboxylic acids and makes molecules acidic. Continuing with more common functional groups, the amino group consists of a nitrogen bonded to two hydrogens, written as -NH2. This group is found in amines and amino acids, and it makes molecules basic. The sulfhydryl group is a sulfur bonded to a hydrogen, written as -SH, also called a thiol group. It is found in some amino acids like cysteine and can form important disulfide bonds. Finally, the phosphate group is written as -OPO3 with a 2- charge. This group is crucial in biological molecules like ATP and DNA, where it stores and transfers energy. Functional groups influence many important molecular properties. They affect polarity and solubility in water. Polar functional groups like hydroxyl and carboxyl make molecules more water-soluble. They determine acidity and basicity. Carboxyl groups donate protons and are acidic, while amino groups accept protons and are basic. They control reactivity with other molecules. Different functional groups undergo different types of reactions. And they influence biological activity and molecular recognition. In living systems, functional groups allow molecules to be recognized by enzymes and receptors, enabling all of biochemistry. Understanding functional groups is the foundation for predicting molecular behavior and mastering organic chemistry. As you continue your studies, you will learn about the specific reactions each functional group undergoes, how to interconvert between different functional groups, and how to use this knowledge to design and synthesize complex molecules. Keep this foundation in mind, and organic chemistry will become much more logical and predictable.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.